everyone, I'm Kylie, and in this video, I'll teach you how to make a Bella Hadid inspired top. If you want to know how I made it, then please keep on watching. So basically, all we need is a rectangular piece of fabric. You can choose any kind of fabric that you want. In my case, I've chosen the silk one because it's very trendy these days. Fold it in half where the wrong side is facing outside, and then sew all the sides. But I'll leave 2 to 3 inches opening so that we can pull the fabric inside out. Flat on the ground and draw 2 inches above and 2 inches below the fabric, and then draw 2 more lines below and on top of the 2 lines that we made with a 1/2 inch gap. Sew along the lines with a straight stitch, and then get a seam ripper and seam reap the 1/2 inch gap of the lines that we made, because this is where we will insert the strap later on. Now for the straps, cut 120 by 1.5 inches of fabric and then fold it in half where the wrong side is facing outside, then sew. After that, flip it inside out using a pin. After all the sewing and flipping, all we need to do now is to insert the strap to the top using our handy dandy pin. It's hard to explain word for word on how I inserted the strap. Just follow me on this video. This is how it should look like. It should as if like you're wearing a backpack in front of you. So here it is. From a piece of rectangular fabric, we now have a Bella inspired top. If you like this video, please do subscribe, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye!